Here's the progress of backing up the multiplayer progress of Mortys on the Bluestack simulator. Go to Media Manager first and then click the folders Android, Data, com.terminal.pokemortys and then Files. You'll find this file multiplayer.dat. Long click it and then export it to Windows. I highly recommend to create a dedicated folder with the game ID. For example, what I did here is that I created a folder on my desktop with the folder name of alt id shLhy1314, which is the name of my alt. So after saving this multiplayer.dat file, we successfully back up our multiplayer progress. And to try to see whether this procedure is working, we delete both the .dat extension files of multiplayer and cloud container. And then we try to open the game again to see whether there's no multiplayer progress on this device. And since we already deleted anything related with the multiplayer progress, it will ask us to create a new profile, which means that currently there's no multiplayer progress on this device. Now let's try to get the multiplayer progress back. Click Import from Windows and select the folder where we stored our multiplayer.dat file. And then it will be transferred successfully from the PC to your Bluestack simulator. Then we're gonna move this multiplayer.dat file to the location where all the data of Mortys are stored. Here I used a third-party application called File Manager Plus to transfer the files within different locations of this Android simulator, because the default app, Media Manager, doesn't have access to do this. When we reach the correct location, delete Cloud Container and multiplayer.dat because they were associated with a blank account. And we're gonna delete both of them before we paste our backup multiplayer.dat file. Then come to the Media Manager, imported files, long-click multiplayer.dat and share it with the application File Manager Plus, which allows us to move internally this file within the different locations of this Android simulator. And still we go to exactly the same path that we're so familiar with, and then we do save. So now we successfully move the multiplayer progress data back to the file location. After doing all of these, open the game again and enter multiplayer. Then you should have your backed up multiplayer progress back. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy the game and have a nice day.